Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet pillow cover designs for your cozy home decor. Let's start the video. A crochet pillow cover is a cozy and decorative way to dress up your pillows, adding texture, color, and personality to your home decor. They can range from simple on-stitch designs to intricate patterns like granny scarves, lace, or floral motifs. Here are some ideas and details for crochet pillow covers. Design ideas: granny scarf pillows, classic and colorful, made from joining multiple granny scarves. Zebra or stripe pattern adds a modern touch with zigzag or stripes in contrasting colors. Pictured stitches use bubbles, popcorn, or cables for a 3D look. Lacy pillow covers light and airy, perfect for a vintage chic or cottage style room. Solid colors with button closer, minimalist and elegant, easy to remove for washing. Flower motifs pillow, crochet flower attached on the cover for a charming decorative feel. Chart pillow, combine different crochet starches or patterns into one cover. Starting tips: match the pillow cover with your couch throw or bedspread for a balanced, coordinated look. Use neutral tones for farmhouse or cottage-style decor. Try bright colors or bold patterns for boho or eclectic rooms. Mix different crochet pillows like granny scarves, bubbles, lace for variety. Here are some useful tips for making and styling crochet pillow covers. First, crochet and making tips. Choose the right yarn. Crochet is durable and washable, perfect for pillow covers. Chunky yarn creates a cozy, rustic look, while lightweight yarns gives a delicate, lacy finish. Measure your pillow insert first. Always make the cover slightly smaller, about 1 to 2 cm less, so it fits snugly. Use a sturdy stitch for durability. Stitches like single crochet, half double crochet, or moss stitch create a strong fabric that won't stretch out too much. Try removable covers and pattern styles or a zipper on the back for easy removal and washing. Block your pieces if making panels or motifs. Block them before joining for a neat, professional look. Mix textures. Combine smooth stitches with bubbles or cables to add dimensions. Line the pillow cover optional. Add a fabric lining inside if your stitch pattern is very open, so the pillow inside does not show through. Design and styling tips. Go seasonal. Use light pastels for spring, bright shades for summer, warm tones for autumn, and cozy chunky yarn for winter. Play with patterns. Mix solid color pillows with patterned granny scarves for a balanced look. Layer different pillow sizes. Place crochet pillows with plain fabric ones for a stylish cozy mix. Add embellishments. Crochet flowers, tassels, or pom-poms on corners can give extra charm. Advanced crochet and crafting tips. Use a consistent tension. Even tension keeps your pillow covered neat and prevents it from being too loose or too tight. Combining different stitch patterns. Try mixing lace, cables, and bubbles in one cover for a unique texture. Try reversible designs. Crochet the same pattern on both sides so either side can face out. Secure corners, reinforced corners with extra spaces to maintain shape. Join pieces neatly using visible shapes to free prestige to connect panels for a professional finish. Experiment with color gradients. Ombre or very suited air creates a soft, stylish effect. Embellish carefully. Sew on buttons, weights, or apply securely so they don't come off when washing. Styling and home decor tips. Create set. Make 2 or 3 matching or complementary pillows for sofas or beds. Mix materials. Pair crochet pillows with linen, velvet, or burlap for layered textures. Rotate seasonally. Keep a few seasonal crochet pillows to refresh your decor throughout the year. Highlight patterns. Place patterned crochet pillows against solid colored throws or furniture to make them pop. Vary sizes and shapes. Mix skirts, rectangles, and rounds to make your arrangement more interesting. Use neutral bases. Crochet pillows in soft neutrals with colorful accents work well in most decor styles. Keep maintenance in mind. Choose yarns that are machine washable if the pillow will be used daily. Lint smooth tips. Pre-wash yarn. Wash your yarn before crocheting to prevent shrinkage or color bleeding later. Use stitch markers. Keep your place in complex patterns or corners for more accurate shaping. Experiment with edging. Add a scalloped, picot, or ruffled edge to make the cover look more finished and decorative. Double up yarn for sturdiness. For a thick, cozy pillow, crochet with 2 strands held together. Mix textures subtly. Combine smooth yarn with fuzzy or buckle yarn for a thick contrast. Add a lining. Lining the pillow can protect delicate stitches and give a cleaner look. Check curves, especially important if following a pattern. Mismatched curves can make the cover too big or small. Secure ends carefully. Weave in ends neatly so they don't unravel, especially in high-use pillows. Experiment with shapes. Try circles, hexagons, or hearts instead of just squares. Create pocket or flap, useful or small decorative pillows that can hold accessories or simply add flair. Layer textures. Place crochet pillows on top or velvet, linen, or knitted throws for depth. Stick to a color palette. Use 2 or 3 coordinating colors to keep a cohesive look on your sofa or bed. Highlight crochet in neutral rooms. A crochet pillow pops beautifully in a minimalist or neutral toned space. Mix patterns and solids. Pair patterned crochet pillows with plain ones to avoid a cluttered look. Add small decorative details, tassels, springs, or small embroidered accents. Make crochet pillows extra charming. Rotate and refresh. Switch pillow covers seasonally or for holidays to refresh your decor easily. Use on chairs or benches. Don't limit crochet pillows to sofas or beds. They can enhance dining chairs or window seats. Experiment with window stick. Soft pastels, lace patterns, and crowning square motifs fit perfectly in cottage or farmhouse decor. Use complementary yarn weight. Pair thicker yarn for the main body with finer yarn for easing or detailing. Try Tunisian or broomstick crochet. These stitches create unique textures that stand out on pillows. Use corner-to-corner technique, great for geometric design or color block. Mix sides and shapes. Combine a square, rectangle, and round pillows for layered dimension. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!